Hi, my name is Rick Nichols. I told a story recently to someone here at Total Health, and they asked me if I would be willing to share this testimonial in a recorded version, so I am. I started coming to Total Health about 12 years ago. I've had basically my whole life a chronic posture problem. I had a car accident in my early 20s, and then a trauma I had roughly about 12 years ago, and I decided to do something about it. So I ended up at an orthopedic surgeon's office, and they were putting me through some tests for about 6 weeks. And when I started that journey, I decided, as a recommendation from a neighbor, to come to Total Health, and that's where I met Dr. Lundgaard. I've been visiting Total Health Chesterfield and Clinton Township, basically over the past 12 years. I've been to the Washington office as well. And back when I started, when I came here for the first time, they did some x-rays, and I purposely didn't really share what the orthopedic surgeon had told me to see if the diagnosis was the same. And it was. They both said my cervical C5, C6, C7 area has very reduced space. It's clamping on the nerve root. Dr. Lundgaard says we can do some adjustments, some traction, and let's actually even recommend you start strengthening your core more so. So I started on that program. About 6 weeks into it, I ended up back at the orthopedic doctor's office, and he had the results of CAT scans and EEG tests and all of these things. And he says, hey, what I'm recommending is that we cut you in the front of your neck, we go through to the back, we reroute the nerve roots, and then we fuse your vertebrae together. And it didn't sound very nice to me. So I said, thanks but no thanks. I've been actually seeing a chiropractor the past 6 weeks, and all that numbness and tingling I was feeling in my left arm and the stiffness, and it's actually starting to go away. I'm feeling better. So I'm thinking this is a whole much better process for me to follow. So 12 years later, I am still regularly seeing Dr. Lundgaard for adjustments, and I'm in the Fitranx program within Total Health as well. It helps, strengthening the core, and those things together have led to a whole lot better lifestyle that I've been living. So appreciate you listening.